Back to the start. No, sorry. So you've got your first family court hearing coming up. Ooh, fantastic. Exciting. Some people spend their weekends skydiving. Others wrestle crocodiles. You apparently, you have decided to walk into a building where complete strangers are about to discuss your children, your relationship, your mental health, your finances, your character, and every stupid thing you've ever written on WhatsApp. Welcome to Family Court. It's like Britain's Got Talent, except nobody wins. And Simon Cowell has been replaced by paperwork. Now, most fathers arrive expecting justice, and that's adorable. It's so cute. It's like going to a McDonald's expecting nutritional guidance. Family court isn't there to validate your feelings. It isn't there to tell you who was right. It isn't there to confirm your ex is a narcissist because you've watched 17 TikTok videos at 2 a.m. No, the court has one job. That's what is best for the child. Everything else is background noise. Just be selfless. The first mistake many fathers make is believing family court works like normal life. It doesn't at all. In normal life, if somebody makes an accusation, people generally expect evidence. In family court, sometimes it feels like evidence is that thing everyone promises is coming in the next episode. Family court teaches men a valuable lesson. You can lose an argument you didn't even know was happening. Nothing prepares you for the hearing. Somebody describes your relationship from 3 years ago as if they're narrating a Netflix crime documentary. You spend 10K like proving you're not a danger to your children, then celebrate by buying yourself a Tesco meal deal because you're now financially homeless. The reality is this: judges aren't interested in your revenge. They're not interested in who won the breakup. They're not interested in your 147 screenshots proving your ex used passive-aggressive emojis in 2022. They want solutions. Can the child have a safe and meaningful relationship with both parents? Can conflict be reduced? Can adults start behaving like adults? That's what matters. Some fathers enter court believing they're victims of a corrupt system. Some mothers enter court believing they're automatically right. Both sides are often shocked to discover the judge finds neither of them nearly as fascinating as they find themselves. The family court system is one of the few places where two adults can spend EK arguing over who's putting the child's needs first. If that isn't peak modern civilization, I don't know what is. Seriously. Here's what you really need to know. And you need to know this before your first hearing. No matter what, you need to stay calm. You stay child-focused, selflessly child-focused. Don't perform outrage. Don't treat the judge like they're your therapist. Don't treat the hearing like it's a battlefield, because the fathers who usually do best aren't the loudest. They're the most consistent, the most reasonable, the most child-focused, the most emotionally disciplined. And yes, that's deeply unfair when you're angry, but family court rewards self-control far more than it rewards righteousness. And that's just the reality. The hard truth is this: family court can be stressful. It can be expensive. It can be frustrating. Sometimes it can feel completely detached from reality, but your child is watching the story you're writing. Years from now, they won't remember every court hearing. They won't remember every court order. They'll remember whether their father kept showing up even when it was hard, especially when it was hard.